Hi friends, in last video we have seen type functions which help us to know the data type and validate the data. In this video we will learn about type casting and type conversion. So let's start. What is the type casting? So type casting or type conversion means changing the data type of value into the another data type. So purpose of typecasting to make data compatible for operation, to control or modify the data types manually. So these are two types of typecasting: implicit typecasting, that is automatic conversion, or explicit typecasting, that is the manual. So implicit typecasting is done automatically by Python. Convert smaller data types to the larger one, prevent data loss. So here you can see the example. Suppose x equals to 10, that is a integer, and y equals to 2.5. So this is a float. But we are adding these two numbers x plus y into the z. So print z, so it automatically convert this integer into the float, and just check by using a type function print type z. So this is showing float number. So this is called as a automatic type. And here you can see the explicit typecasting performed by the programmer using built-in function. So these are various functions which we convert the value or typecast the value. Suppose you given here is a float value in integer, so it will convert into the integer. In float you will give integer, it will convert the float. In string, list, tuple, set. Example here you can see a equals to 100 and b equals to integer of a. Integer is a function, typecasting function. So we are taking the a value. So what will happen? This will convert. Here you can see the quotes means string. So if you want to know this quote is string, just check in our VS Code. So here you can see, first of all we will create one file, that is a typecasting, because we are learning a typecasting, that is called as a type conversion, one data into the another data. So a equals to 100. So here you can see, you can give double quotes as well, triple quotes. And now just check this type of a data. Already we see in the type function, type a and print. So here you can see this is a string type. You can see here this is a string, and this another variable you can take, this b equals to 100, same. And now check print type of a b. So a equals to 100 and b equals to 100, but what is the difference? In a we have given in a single quotes. So whatever you are giving in a single quotes, double quotes and triple quotes, that is a string. So here you can see the output. So see, first is a string and second is a integer. So what will happen? Why we need a typecasting? Here you can see, suppose we want addition of these two numbers. Suppose C equals to A plus B, and now just print C. Just I'm commenting this two line. For comment, you can use the control slash or just put this hash to comment this line. So this will not print. So now just we are adding these two number. You can see what will happen. You can see here error. Type error can only concatenate string, not a int. See, we can just add the two string, add the two integer. So for that we need to convert this string value into the integer value. So for that, here you can see we have a integer function to convert the a value into the b. So we use, suppose this is a a1, and just use integer functions to convert this a value. So now you can see the operation. Now you are getting error, but now see, because we have given his a, that's why it's showing error. Just I'm giving a1 because we have converted this value. So now check, you have got the output of a 200. So that's why required typecasting, so we can use the operation correctly. So common conversion functions, so these are functions and you can convert to the value. So integer function convert the integer value, convert any type of value you can pass. Just like example, in int we have passed 5.6, that is a float value, so this will give result integer number 5. And float functions, it converts the value into the float value. So in float we have passed 10, but we get the result 10.0, that is a float number. In string str function, suppose we pass the 2.5 to 25, so it will convert into the double quotes 25. List also same, this is a tuple, we pass this tuple and we get the list. In tuple we pass the list and we get the tuple. In set we pass the list and we get the set. So you can convert the any data type into the any data type. For error example, but there is some valid typecasting is required. So conversion not possible error when suppose x equals to hello and y equals to int x. So hello, how we can convert into the integers? That's not possible. So here you can see invalid literal for int. So some valid typecasting is required. Summary: type, who, perform, example, and set. Implicit in Python is suppose like just 10 into 2 find, it will automatically convert. And explicit by program. So int 15 double cross 10, so it will convert into the 50. So that may be error. So key takeaway: always use explicit typecasting carefully and ensures the data can be converted safely. So that's all about the typecasting and type conversion. You can convert this one data to another data. That's called a typecasting. So thank you for watching this video.